Alright, okay. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Pag-usapan ulit natin yung talagang social when it comes sa mga business opportunity, no? O yung talagang trending na pinag-uusapan ngayon ng mga networking industry, mga MLM company, na this time ito, siya rin yung pumukaw sa attention ko para pag-aralan siya, gawa ng mga tutorial video kung paano ba talaga siya kumikita, paano ba talaga nagwo-work, at paano ba talaga siya tinatrabaho. Okay, disclaimer lang, yung mga ina-upload kong video about Live Good is sarili ko siyang pag-aaral, sarili ko siyang self-study. So walang nagturo, walang nag-guide. So sobrang na-curious lang talaga ako dito sa business na to. Kasi siya yung talagang pumukaw ng attention ko kung bakit. Ayun na nga, ginagawa natin siya ng pag-aaral. Kasi talagang trending siya, talagang kung i-analyze mong maigi, mabuti, kung titingnan mo, napakagandang opportunity to. Napakagandang opportunity, napakagandang business na kung saan magaang dalihin, napakaliit ang puhunan, pero napakalaki naman ng potential income in the future. Okay? Disclaimer lang in the future. So, hindi siya short term. Kumbaga, once na pinasok mo tong business na to, kailangan yung mindset mo dito is long term. I think sa akin kasi, tinitingnan ko siya, 3 years from now hanggang 5 years. Ayan, medyo okay na yung situation natin dito. Okay, so pag-aralan natin siya. So, today's trend, Live Good. Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022 with its business of wholesale club membership. So, nilaunch lang siya last year lang. So, nasa pioneering stage pa lang to si Live Good. Napaka bago pa lang nito sa market. Live Good is a revolutionary company and a game changer in the industry. It's a club membership subscription that pays no first buying of product, buy at need. So dito medyo explain natin ng maganda dito So yung no first buying of product, so dito pala kay Live Good, walang puwersahan or walang magaganap na bentahan. Bibili ka lang kapag kailangan mo or kapag gusto mo, or bibili ka lang kapag may pera ka na. No quota, no auto ship, no more overpricing of products. You can still earn whether you repair or not. So, ito pa yung maganda. So, sa madaling salita daw dito, ang sabi dito, pwede kang kumita kahit hindi ka mag-invite or kahit hindi ka mag-recruit or kahit hindi ka magpasali as long na nagbabayad ka ng monthly subscription. Kasi si Live Good is a club member that pays. So, isa siyang subscription business at the same time club membership na nagbabayad. Number 1 business and most exciting company to join today. Live Good is available in over 230 countries. So, hindi lang siya sa Pilipinas, globally. So, once na member ka ni Live Good, so hindi lang Pilipinas yung market mo. Hindi lang Luzon, hindi lang Visayas, hindi lang Mindanao. Global, napakarami, no? Okay, Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused on the wellness and digital service industry. Live Good Fulfillment Center, 1201 Jupiter Park Drive, Unit 5, Jupiter, Florida. Ang kanyang mission, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So, napaka-basic lang, no? Pero, ang dating nito, napakalalim, no? Kitang-kita, to help people get healthy. Yan, napakagandang mission yan. So, doon pa lang talagang ma-amaze ka na kay Live Good. At, introduce ko na lang din itong mga nasa likod ni Live Good. Yung mga bumubuo ng Live Good opportunity. Si Ben Glinsky, Live Good CEO. With over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, Ben know how to help people win. So, ang galing naman, no? So, yung may-ari pala, naging part din siya. Minsan sa buhay niya, naging siyang networker, naging siyang affiliate, naging siyang subscriber, naging may-ari ng maraming company at siya rin yung nagpapatakbo, no? Tapos ito naman yung kanyang mga team member, si Ryan Goodkin, Director of Product Development, at ang kanyang asawa, si Lisa Goodkin, Director of Product Education, at si Noder Kasan, Director of Network Marketing. Ito yung bumubuo lahat ng nasa likod ng Live Good, kaya naman pala napakagandang opportunity yung inihahain nila sa bawat Pilipino. Live Good will add more products and services in the near future. Live Good will be the next Amazon. Ayan. So, sabi nila dito, time will come in the future. Si Live Good is magiging na rin siyang Amazon when it comes sa mga networking business or sa mga MLM company. So, magiging na rin siyang Amazon kasi kung i-analyze natin mabuti, si Amazon is nagsimula lang siya sa isang libro. Tapos yung office nila through online. So, pero ngayon, lahat ng gusto mong mabili through online, makikita mo dito kay Amazon. Dito naman sa Pilipinas, meron din tayong sikat na mga online shop katulad ng mga Lazada at Shopee. So, time will come, si Live Good is magiging na rin siyang Amazon. Alright, so napagandang opportunity nito kapag ka nangyari yon. Live Good opportunity. Alright, unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced product, but about saving people money on healthy product. If you have a passion for health and wellness, pwede ka rito. If you have a passion for helping people, yung tipong gusto mong tulungan yung mga nangangailangan, gusto mong tumulong sa maraming tao, gusto mong tulungan yung mga tao na mabuo ulit yung pangarap nila, pwede ka rito. If you are not looking for a get rich quick scheme, pwede ka rito. At ito naman yung tiningnan ko dito, no, yung pangmatagalan talaga. Live Good is for you. Live Good is for everyone. Be a Live Good affiliate. We also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. What do I get with the 49.95 US dollar? So yung 49.95 US dollar sa pera natin sa Pilipinas, mga 3,000 pesos yan. So once na nagbayad ka, nag-join ka, naging member ka, so etong mga to is mapapasa iyo or magkakaroon ka na. Yung number 1, access to membership club, save up to 75% on products. Yung number 2, magkakaroon ka rin dito ng digital marketing products. So magkakaroon ka dito ng 3 replicated website na kung saan ito talaga yung tumutulong, no, sa lahat ng member, lahat ng affiliate or lahat ng subscriber. Magkakaroon ka dito ng yung number 1 corporate site sa mga tao na nagtatanong ano ba yung ino-offer mo, ano ba yung background ng company mo, pwede mong isend yung link ng corporate site. Yung number 2 naman, yung retail site. Baka may mga kaibigan, pamilya, kamag-anak ka na mahilig bumili through online. Pwede mong isend yung link na yan ng retail site. At yung number 3 na website is yung Power Landing Page. Ito yung very most helpful talaga sa lahat. Yung Power Landing Page na kung saan ito yung link na sinesend ng mga affiliate sa mga kaibigan, kaklase, kamag-anak, katrabaho, kapamilya, at marami pang iba. Once na-click nila yung link na yon, mapapanood nila doon na kung saan ine-explain ng may-ari na si Ben Glinsky yung background ni Live Good, no? Tapos yung number 3, participate in the compensation plan. Ito na yung napakaganda talaga. Okay, proceed tayo, no? Next. Ayan. Monthly membership price 9.95. Alright, so yung 9.95, 600 pesos yan sa pera natin sa Pilipinas. Ayan, pwede ka magbayad dyan buwan-buwan or kung gusto mong makatipid ng 20% or makasave ka na ng 2 months, pwede ka rin mag-yearly membership. Yung price naman yan is 99.95, no? Nakasave ka na dyan ng 2 months. Enjoy wholesale price product, highest quality product. You can earn up to 2,047.50 without even enrolling a single person. So once na member ka na, nag-join ka na, subscriber ka na, eto na. So pwede ka na daw kumita dito ng 200,000, 47.50